Look no further than the 2021 Audi Q3. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Enjoy a view of this handsome Audi Q3, the subcompact luxury crossover that offers a premium tech-savvy interior, standard all-wheel drive, and a high-spirited, agile ride. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: sun moonroof, all-wheel drive, leather steering wheel, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, four-wheel ABS. Infuse the journey with satisfying luxury in this extraordinary Q3. Come in for a test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.